Trading is often approached through individual ideas, a strategy, a pattern, a technique. But markets are complex systems. Understanding them requires something deeper, a framework. This is the first principles of trading series, the foundational ideas that allow a trading system to operate with clarity and consistency. The series consists of 16 lectures. Each lecture focuses on one essential element. Together, they form the architecture of a complete framework. These lectures are designed as purely educational material. They are meant to be studied with patience and attention. Floating quickly through them rarely reveals their full meaning. Like any structured discipline, understanding develops through careful observation and reflection. If at any point something feels unclear or a concept requires deeper explanation, you are welcome to ask questions through any available medium. A response will always be given, because learning improves when inquiry is encouraged. This series is best experienced in sequence. Each lecture builds on the previous one until gradually the full structure becomes visible. Because systematic trading is not about predicting markets. It is about building a framework that can operate within uncertainty over long periods of time. Welcome to First Principles of Trading, a structured exploration of how systematic traders understand markets, manage risk, and build systems that endure through time. Think in odds. Act with discipline.